It gives us great pleasure to join you all to commemorate the 67th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China. This occasion is significant for the government and people of Fiji due to the long-standing friendship that we have enjoyed between our two countries for the past 41 years. What makes that friendship so important that it has been consistent. During turbulent periods in our history, China's friendship was unwavering, and the support that was provided to Fiji by China helped us lay the foundation for the new Fiji that exists today. We put those lost years behind us, and we will never forget China's role in helping us persevere through what is often difficult times. Today, on the back of 7 straight years of economic growth, it is clear that China's faith in Fiji was well placed. So tonight, let us celebrate this milestone in China's history and the strong, lasting alliance that exists between our two nations. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, China has emerged as an advanced, dynamic economic power with a passionate, energetic, and driven population. And Fiji looks to China for leadership on the pressing challenges of our time in the global community. We wish to congratulate the government of the People's Republic of China for its commitment in ratifying the Paris Agreement. As you know, the Paris Agreement is an issue that is dear to our heart, and indeed our Prime Minister has been at the forefront. And it represents the recognition of all states that industrialized countries commit to limiting the level of carbon emissions. So thank you for your commitment in helping combat the ravages of climate change by supporting this agreement. Finally, we wish to warmly thank China for the visits by His Excellency President Xi Jinping and the other high-level delegations in the recent past as a testament of our close friendship. We are confident that as we look forward, we can find ways to continually improve and strengthen our partnership and deepen the ties between our governments and our peoples. Your Excellency, on behalf of the Fijian government and the people of Fiji, we extend to you, your President, your government, and the Chinese people our very best wishes on this grand occasion. I'm not very good at toasting, but I will actually get an orange. Once again, to the President of the People's Republic of China, the government, and the Chinese people, our very, very best wishes on the grand occasion, and happy 67th anniversary. The People's Republic of China. And thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Acting Prime Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure that we have